Te pai me te whairawa o Tāmaki Māori. Healthy and prosperous Māori in Auckland. This is the Māori Plan for Tāmaki Makaurau. It is a 30-year plan that outlines Māori values and aspirations. The Māori Plan was developed by the Independent Māori Statutory Board in 2012 in consultation with the Mana Whenua and Mataawaka. The plan provides information that assists the Council to include Māori outcomes in key plans and policies, so that resources and services reflect a strong partnership between Māori and the Council. There are 5 core values Māori want recognised. Tahi, whanaungatanga, relationships. Rua, rangatiratanga, autonomy and leadership. Toru, manaakitanga, to protect and look after. Wha, wairuatanga, spirituality and identity. And rima, KAITIAKITANGA, guardianship. It's a plan to show how things in Tāmaki Makaurau can be done effectively to have a strong partnership between Māori and Auckland Council. This will create outcomes that benefit all Aucklanders. So all in all, the Māori Plan is a tool to strengthen and enhance the partnership with Māori, Auckland Council and external organisations. To find out more about the Māori Plan or the Independent Māori Statutory Board, visit our website. Te pai me te whairawa o Tāmaki Māori. The Māori Plan, healthy and prosperous Māori in Auckland. Ti he Māori ora.